guys, it's J-Man, and welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. So let's get right into it. So the first box we're going to open. Ooh, what's in there? Keep you wondering. Wonder why. Let's see. We're going to just slice this bad boy open. Gotta be careful though. And dang, they really wrapped this really good. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, what is it? We got some wrapping paper. Looks like a gift, maybe. You'll never know. Maybe it's a gift from someone. Oh, there it is. Oh, I got a letter. Huh. Looks like there's a letter in here. Let me read it. Let me open this and read it. Let's see. Wait, there's some candy. Thank you for your purchase, Faith. And I got 2 pieces of candy. So let's open the rest of the package that we just started opening. Save that bug wrap for my wife for later. I know she likes it. And it is the Isle of the Lost book set. The first 3 books. Let me show you. We have the Isle of the Lost. We have Return to the Isle of the Lost. We have Rise of the Isle of the Lost. There was a poster that was supposed to be in here, but it's okay. Because I got what I've been wanting. Now let's put these back in here and open up the second box. Mystery? I guess so. You'll have to find out. Stay tuned. Now let's open up this second box. Let's see. Ready? So, you saw the first mystery. Oh, now what's the third mystery? The fourth installment of the book series. Escape the Isle of the Lost. Now, I do have another book that I got first because I saw it and I had to have it. The last and final installment, hopefully not the final installment of the book series, Beyond the Isle of the Lost, the 5th book. So now we have Isle of the Lost, Return to the Isle of the Lost, Rise of the Isle of the Lost, Escape the Isle of the Lost, and Beyond the Isle of the Lost. Stay tuned for the next video when we unbox something else cool and wonderful and mysterious. Until then, this is J-Man signing out. Bye, YouTube, and subscribe.